Hi all, this is Ram. Welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to discuss about Bootstrap scripts. So what is a Bootstrap script? Option to pass user data to instance at the time of launch. When you're launching the EC2 instance, you can actually pass some commands, a set of commands. So when we say option to pass user data, many people actually get confused what is user data. User data is a set of commands which will be executed on an EC2 instance when it is first launched. Scripts entered as user data executed as root user. Do not use sudo command in the script. You can pass this data into a launch wizard as plain text or as a file or a base64 encoded text for API calls. And we can have a look at a sample script in the next slide. This is actually the sample script. You start with this particular line and then we are doing a yum update. If a user action is required, we cannot use those commands in the script. We are doing a yum update here and we are installing the HTTPD. We are starting the service HTTPD start, and this check config is basically in case the EC2 instance gets rebooted or something. So this particular one step actually helps, and you're going to cd var www.html, and in that we're creating a index.html file with this particular hello all message. So this is the Bootstrap script. So let's go to the EC2 instance, click on launch an instance. I'm using the Amazon Linux AMI and using the free tier eligible, click on next, and here in the configure instance details, scroll down. This is where you need to give the script. So I have the sample script here, just copying and pasting it here. So we are actually doing a yum update, then installing the HTTPD. We are starting the HTTPD service, and we are entering the HTML directory, and then we are creating an index.html file with the content hello all. Click on next storage. We will not change anything in this. Next is tags. Next is security groups. For HTTPD, the default port is 80. So we need to add that rule, otherwise it won't work. Go here, go to HTTP, it's port 80, and source I'm saying everywhere, anywhere. Click on review and launch, click on launch. I'm using the existing key pair, go to launch an instance. Go to your EC2 instance. Here we can see it's getting started. So it will actually launch the EC2 instance, and it will also run those user commands. I mean the set of commands that we have given in the as part of the script. So your EC2 instance becomes a web server. Now let's go to this public IP. We should be able to see that hello all web page. Give it here :80. Initially, now it might not work. It might take a few more seconds or maybe even up to a minute for it to actually respond. So let's keep refreshing. I will also open the git bash. I will connect it to the instance. Connect to the instance. Say yes. We have now connected. Let's just wait for a few more seconds, guys. Yeah, so we can now see the hello all web page. So all the script, all the set of commands that we have given in the as part of the script were actually executed, and that is the reason we are able to successfully see this hello all web page. Now let's go to the and let's go to the cd var.html directory, and we should have an index.html file. Yes, and let's do a cat. Yeah, so this is what we have given in as part of the index.html file. So it is now successful. Let's go to the PPT again. So we just ran the bootstrap script, and it is successfully working. Now let's discuss about one more concept, that is the instance metadata. So you can see the user data as well as metadata by running a few commands. So now let's go here. I'm just giving sudo give this particular command, curl command, curl http://169.254.169.254, and then a slash latest user data, latest/user data. So we will be able to see the comments that we have given in the as part of the script. Yeah, remember guys, these are the comments we have given actually in the as part of the bootstrap script. Yum update, install HTTP service, check config, and cd enter, this particular one. Now, and next is we can even see the instance metadata of the instance. For that, use a similar command. Instead of user data here, just say metadata, and here we can see a lot of options. Now go to metadata. Here we've mentioned, if you want to know the public hostname, we can give this, and we have a lot of options here. You can choose any of the options. Let's say I'm going to use this public-hostname /public-hostname. So this is the data that we have just got it. And let's also try one more thing, public-IPv4. IPv4. So this is the IP address, public IP address. Let's go to EC2 instance, check it. 54.172.33.116. 54.172.33.116. It's matching. So this is how you can actually get to know the instance metadata. So right. So in this session, we've just seen the bootstrap script. We also seen the instance metadata. That's it, guys. So till date, till now we have seen what is Amazon EC2 features, benefits, instance types, purchasing options, steps to launch an EC2 instance, some terminology, launch and corrective an instance, security groups, volume snapshots, instance store versus EBS, bootstrap scripts, instant metadata. These are some of the things we've seen so far in the EC2 module. And AWS CLI we will discuss in the IAM module. CloudWatch we will discuss in the CloudWatch separate session. We have it for that. And as part of the solution architect exam, read the content that is available on the AWS EC2 web page. Read the FAQs thoroughly. Yeah, and the white papers are again separate, so we will discuss about that as well. So this is the end of the EC2 session, and any questions please post in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you all in the next session.